Air fryers have revolutionized the way we cook by offering a healthier alternative to deep frying without sacrificing flavor. This Tastee Air Fryer, 8-in-1, compact 5.5QT, takes this innovation to another level with its powerful performance, smart technology, and versatile features. In this review, we'll dive into the details of what makes this air fryer stand out from the competition and why it might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Why choose the Tastee Air Fryer? The Tastee Air Fryer stands out in a crowded market for several reasons. Its combination of powerful performance, smart technology, and versatility make it a must-have for anyone looking to make healthier meals quickly and easily. Here's why you should consider adding it to your kitchen. 1. Fast, efficient cooking. With its high-speed motor and ability to reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer cooks meals faster than traditional ovens or even other air fryers. Whether you're in a rush or just want to enjoy your food sooner, the Tastee Air Fryer delivers. 2. Consistent, high-quality results. Thanks to its dual-sensor thermometer and see-through window, you can monitor your food as it cooks, ensuring that it's done to perfection every time. 3-speed fan airflow system also ensures that your meals are evenly cooked, crispy on the outside, and juicy on the inside. 3. Versatility at your fingertips. The 8-in-1 functionality of this air fryer means that it can replace several kitchen appliances, saving you both space and money. Whether you're air frying, dehydrating, or slow cooking, this appliance can handle it all with ease. 24 preset cooking options and one-touch presets also make it incredibly convenient to use. 4. Healthier eating. Air frying with the Tastee Air Fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with significantly less oil, making it easier to stick to a healthier diet without sacrificing flavor. It's a great option for anyone looking to reduce their calorie intake while still enjoying delicious meals. 5. Easy cleanup. The non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. You can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Key features. High-performance cooking. The Tastee Air Fryer operates at a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 50 degrees Celsius higher than most standard air fryers. This extra heat ensures that your food is evenly browned and crispy in a shorter amount of time. With a high-speed 2800 RPM motor, the heating process is accelerated by 40%, allowing you to prepare meals faster than ever before. Perfection consistency with smart technology. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its dual-sensor thermometer and see-through window. The Sensor Magic Smart Air Fryer automatically monitors the internal temperature of your meat, ensuring that it's cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're making steak, chicken, you can trust that your meal will come out golden, crispy, and juicy. 8-in-1 cooking functionality. Versatility is at the core of the Tastee Air Fryer. With 8-in-1 functionality and 24 preset cooking options, you can air fry, slow cook, dehydrate, and more. This multifunctional appliance caters to various diets and cuisines, making it an excellent tool for experimenting in the kitchen. The one-touch presets allow for quick cooking of popular dishes like bacon, chicken wings, and even popcorn. Easy cleaning. Cleaning up after a meal is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but the Tastee Air Fryer makes it easier. Its non-toxic, non-stick coating is PFOA and PFOS-free, and both the fryer basket and accessories are dishwasher safe. This means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious, healthy meals. Smart digital control panel and recipe app. The digital control panel on the Tastee Air Fryer is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to select your cooking mode and temperature with just a few taps. The air fryer also comes with an app that provides access to over 60 recipes, making it easier to find inspiration for your next meal. Although app use is optional, it's a helpful addition that enhances your cooking experience. Healthier meals with less oil. For those who love the taste of fried food but want to cut down on unhealthy fats, the Tastee Air Fryer is a dream come true. It delivers the crispy texture of deep-fried food with up to 95% less oil. This means you can indulge in your favorite fried dishes without the guilt, making it an excellent option for health-conscious cooks. Compact and convenient design. Despite its 5.5 quart capacity, which is perfect for preparing meals for a small family. The Tastee Air Fryer is compact and easy to store. Its space-saving design allows it to fit comfortably on your countertop or in your cabinets. The innovative 2-in-1 grill feature is perfect for toasting bread or grilling meats, adding even more versatility to this already impressive appliance. Final thoughts. The Tastee Air Fryer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that offers a healthier, faster, and more convenient way to cook. Its combination of powerful performance, smart technology, and versatile cooking options make it a standout choice for anyone looking to improve their cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer has you covered. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, Tastee Air Fryer is an excellent investment. With its compact design, easy-to-use controls, and smart technology, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.